Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to use knifeless tape. As an example, we'll create racing stripes on a Mini Cooper. First, we mark up the stripe's position with the masking tape. After that, we place the knifeless tape along its edges. We place the knifeless tape accurately along the markups. While applying, we press it firmly to fix it on the film surface. After we place the knifeless tape, we carefully peel the masking tape off the film. Avoid lifting the knifeless tape itself. As soon as we remove the masking tape, we once again tightly press the knifeless tape down the film surface to achieve its maximum adhesion. After we have applied the knifeless tape and removed the masking tape, we'll place here the film we've prepared for stripes. We leave an extra 4 to 5 centimeters on the ends of the knifeless tape. Now we wipe the dust off the surface and film. After placing the film on the surface, we remove one end of the liner. We secure the film on the surface and with a light tension, we start to squeegee. Now we apply the film on and over the knifeless tape. The stripe panel should be wider by 2 to 3 millimeters of the stripe itself, because we need the film to stick well to the surface on both sides of the knifeless tape. In the place where the knifeless tape overlaps the end of the film, we will fold the knifeless tape to the opposite direction. Tightly press your finger and pull the tape sharply to release the thread, and then pull it along the marked edge. After we've pulled out the thread, we remove the rest of the tape and cut off film. And then press down the edges. With the second strip, we do it all the same. Now we'll trim the film, tuck it and heat it up from 100 to 110 degrees.